Introducing Combined Sounds in Hiragana, Japanese. By taking a small group of characters ki, she, chi, ni, he, me, and ri, and adding a small ya, a small u, or a small yo, the Japanese increase the amount of words that they can say. So sounds like kya, kyu, kyo, and gya, gyu, gyo can be used in words like kyaku for customer, kyuri for cucumber, and kingyo for goldfish. Then sha, shu, sho, and ja, ju, jo are used in words like isha for doctor, shujin for husband, and benkyo for study. And cha, chu, cho become ocha for tea, chugoku for China, cho cho for butterfly. Then we have nya, nyu, nyo. So hanya, wisdom, gyunyu, milk, tenyo, angel.
Yeah.
Then we have hya, hyu, hyo, bya, byu, byo, pya, pyu, pyo. And they are in hyaku for 100, sambyaku for 300, and ropyaku for 600. For mia, mu, myo, there are very few words in the Japanese language, but an important one is miaku for heartbeat or pulse. So that's mia, mu, myo. Then for ria, ryu, ryo, there is one important word, and that is ryori, cooking. All right, well, good luck with these. Sayonara.